Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is India surpasses Japan. Recently, India has been ranked as the third most powerful nation in Asia, surpassing Japan. This significant ranking was reported in the 2024 Asia Power Index. Strong economic growth in the aftermath of COVID-19 has contributed to India's impressive rise. India's economic capability score has notably increased by 4.2 points, reflecting its growing strength. The report also highlights that India has made substantial improvements in future resources, gaining 8.2 points in this area. Diplomatic influence and global standing. India has seen a rise in its diplomatic influence as reflected in the latest Asia Power Index. In 2023, India actively participated in the sixth highest number of diplomatic dialogues among the indexed countries. This surge in diplomatic activity has reinforced India's status as a leading power in the Asian region. The recent ranking not only reflects India's increasing geopolitical stature but also marks a significant shift in power dynamics in Asia. By surpassing Japan, India has highlighted its growing influence in regional affairs. The Asia Power Index Overview. The Asia Power Index currently ranks a total of 27 countries and territories. This index assesses nations based on their capacity to shape their external environments. It encompasses a broad geographical range, including areas from Pakistan to Russia, and extends to Pacific nations like Australia and the United States. The ranking provides insights into the evolving power relationships within Asia. Analysts believe that India's youthful population positions the country to benefit from a potential demographic dividend in the future. Now it's time for the practice question. Which country did India recently surpass in the Asia Power Index? China, Japan, South Korea, or Russia? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.